Hey everybody, hi and welcome, and thank you for joining me and my sidekick Wyatt, the bug chaser, for another video. Xana's not here. She went for a drive with my son and has not come back yet, so she's not helping out today. But that's alright, because I hopefully have an exciting video for you today. I got my Bolzano Handbag subscription in the mail today, and I love this collaboration. Cannot wait to share it with you. This is my Lux Handbag subscription, which means that it includes a purse every month, matching accessories, and unique beauty products, all for $43.95, and it has a $300 value to it. Love this subscription, so much fun. Leilani, who is the one that is the brainiac behind all of this, is so creative, does such an amazing job with it, and I get so excited every time my bag comes in the mail. So let's get to it. It is always packaged so very, very nicely every time it comes in the mail. Ta-da! Can't wait to see what's inside. It feels so nice. Oh, and it looks like such a fun color. All right, I can't wait to dig into this. I'm peeking, and it looks so cool. So first up, I love the little tag. It says, Bolzano, you deserve to be spoiled. Right here, it gives her the web address. And I can't wait to show you this. Just from the little sneak peek I got. It looks so pretty. Love it. Okay. You do fill out a profile for Bolzano handbags, so you do get bags that are more to your preference, right? So if you like bigger bags or smaller bags or certain colors, you do fill out a profile to make sure that you get matched with items that you like. So look at this bag. Is this color not beautiful? So I would call this almost like a really pretty, I would almost want to call it a purpley wine color. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. I'm not sure if this is going to come across on the camera to give it proper credit. It's just a beautiful, beautiful shade going into fall. I love it. So it always has this beautiful embossed Bolzano logo on it. The hardware here is so pretty. There's also the Bolzano logo here. I'm in love already. This is so pretty. Let's cut this little. So it has the longer strap, so you can carry it here on your arm. So nice. Hangs at a really nice place. Love that. I love you can throw it behind you as well. So pretty. Oh my, this is so pretty. All right. Then it has the zipper here in the middle. And my goodies are inside. It also has on the outside here a zipper compartment, which I love because I always throw my phone in there and things I want to grab, my keys, things I want to have be easily accessible to. And it's a nice size pocket. You can see my whole hand fits in there, plus a lot more room. I love the dark interior as well because I don't like my purse to show any markings. So I always prefer a darker interior just for that reason. I think it always stays nicer looking. Let me get this plastic off of here so I can show you the handles. You can at least see the nice straps. They are a little bit thicker, so they'll be more comfortable on your shoulder. So nice. All right. Oh, I love that. Such a nice size. I can fit my computer in here, my iPad. Be great for work or casual. Love it. Okay. So I have all kinds of goodies in here I can't wait to share with you. But we're going to take this stuff out so I can show you the inside first. It does also come with a longer strap, so if you wanted to turn it into a crossbody, you could. Look how much room is inside this bag. Can you see this? So much room. Okay, it has a really big pocket on this side in zip pocket, and then on this side it just has the regular little pockets, no zips. So two smaller ones that your phone would fit into, lipstick, whatever you want to throw in there. Lots of room. I also like that it has the flat bottom with the grommets here, so that I like to not just set my bag flat. I love that it actually has these studs here to make sure it sits on something. Love that. Oh, so fun. Oh, I love this. All right, next up, I have goodies here. Goodies, goodies, goodies. All right, it tells you, also you get a little flyer that tells you about your bag. So this one says, congratulations on signing up and receiving surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen our Gabriella bag especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $198. Gabriella is part of our new fall collection. It comes in plum, terracotta, butternut, and black. So this must be the plum. What we love about this bag: sturdy handles, convenient long strap, zipper back pocket, purse feet. So I call them the purse feet. That's what this is. It's not what I called them, purse feet. The top zip closure and the inside multifunctional pockets. Awesome. I covered all those. So love it. This is what it looks like in black. Love it. So you can always, and I didn't realize this, but you can always exchange for a different color if you wanted to, or style. So that's cool to know. If the bag sent was not one within your selected preference, the exchange is complimentary. If it was within your preferences and you still would like an exchange, you simply pay the shipping. So not a bad deal. And then you can tweak your style for the next month by updating your profile. Cool. I didn't know you could swap out colors. I got to keep that in mind. Awesome. All right, look what else I got. Let's do accessories next. Love this. Love, love, love. All right, so next up, I got jewelry. We're going to get to that. And I got this beautiful scarf. Look at this. Oh, it's so silky. Look how pretty this is. So I'm trying to see if it's just an abstract or if it actually has a picture on it. Can you guys tell? So I do see like people, almost looks like a little bit of a Halloween print here. Yeah, isn't that cute? So pretty, and would look so pretty on the bag. Oh, that's so pretty with the light pink on the bag. Look how nice that looks. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. All right, let's see what else I got here. Jewelry. Little necklace, X, with a little stone in the middle. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. And it's adjustable, so there is different different lengths that you can wear this at. Let's see if I can get this on quickly. I like to buy, in case, because of my nails, sometimes it's hard for me to get these on, so I'll buy the little lobster clasps, the magnetic ones, off of Amazon. So if I have any trouble, I'll just use that, and it's all because of my nails. I sometimes struggle. Okay, I got it on. Here's what it looks like. Isn't that cute? Very pretty. Very pretty. And here is the matching earrings. So let's get those on. What do you think? I think those are cute. I just love this subscription. It's so much fun. I love that, you know, that this is just focused on handbags and accessories, not mixed with clothing and everything else. So I just love that about this subscription. I don't get accessories with my other boxes. Like for Stitch Fix, I opt out of jewelry and accessories. I just I don't get bags or anything else. I just stick with clothes. So I like that this one is, they don't sell clothes, she just focuses on the bags and the accessories. I think those are really pretty. Yep, very cute. Nice little set. There we go. All right, I have more stuff. There's more stuff. All right, next is the Purse Companions. This is the beauty supplies. And all of this is $43.95. Let me see if I can get this open. Okay. And it's all packed so nicely so as nothing can get damaged in transit. Alright, so look at this eyelash curler. Awesome. I can always use one of these. Definitely. Perfect. I also got, let's see what this is. This is a Chelly Cosmetics lip liner. And what color is this? It looks like almost a dark red. Can you guys see how dark that is? Let's see. Yeah, it almost looks like a, I don't know if you guys can see it on the video, but it almost looks like a dark red. That one might be a jump for me. But maybe I'll have to surprise you guys and try it one day. But that looks like a deep crimson almost. That one might be a little bit dark for me, because especially in the winter, because I'm really white. Like I'm pale. Let's go with pale. I'm very pale. All right, what else did I get here? Oh, I got little scissors and tweezers. How cool is that? So pretty, like this little rose gold color. So cool. All right, and it all came with a little case to put it in. How cute is that? A little case to put everything right inside. Love it all. So cute. That's everything. Scissors, tweezers, eyelash curler, lip pencil. I have a little purse to put it all into, a little case to put it all into, and my beautiful bag with the little scarf. How beautiful. All right. Love this month. This is awesome. Love this color. Plum. Beautiful. I'm not trading my color. I'm keeping this one. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will put all of this information down below in case you want to give Bolzano Handbags a try. Love, love, love this subscription. She does offer various subscriptions. There's many to choose from. You could choose just to get the accessories if you wanted to, or just the purse companions, which is the beauty products if you wanted to, or you could get all of them combined, which is what I have here and love each and every month. Thanks so much. Please consider hitting that like button. I'd love it if you hang out and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.